The weight of the world. Once, a psychology professor walked around his classroom full of students holding a glass of water with his arms straightened out to the side. He asked his students, "How heavy is this glass of water?" The students started to shout out guesses ranging anywhere from 4 ounces to 1 pound. The professor replied, "The absolute weight of this glass isn't what matters while I'm holding it. Rather, it's the amount of time that I hold on to it that makes an impact. If I hold it for, say, 2 minutes, it doesn't feel like much of a burden. If I hold it for an hour, its weight may become more apparent as my muscles begin to tire. If I hold it for an entire day or week, my muscles will cramp, and I'll likely feel numb or paralyzed with pain, making me feel miserable and unable to think about anything aside from the pain that I'm in. In all of these cases, the actual weight of the glass will remain the same, but the longer I clench onto it, the heavier it feels to me, and the more burdensome it is to hold. The class understood and shook their heads in agreement. The professor continued to say, "This glass of water represents the worries and stresses that you carry around with you every day. If you think about them for a few minutes and then put them aside, it's not a heavy burden to bear. If you think about them a little longer, you will start to feel the impacts of the stress. If you carry your worries with you all day, you will become incapacitated, prohibiting you from doing anything else until you let them go. Don't carry your worries around with you everywhere you go, as they will do nothing but bring you down. Put down your worries and stressors. Don't give them your entire attention while your life is passing you by. The moral: let go of things that are out of your control. Don't carry your worries around with you everywhere you go, as they will do nothing but bring you down. Put your glass down each night and move on from anything that is unnecessarily stressing you out. Don't carry this extra weight into the next day. Please like, share, and follow for everyday motivation. Thank you.